Hospitals also impacted by the widespread outage, now scrambling to keep essential services up and running this afternoon. Many procedures have been put on hold, and some hospitals are diverting patients to other health facilities.
Action News reporter Taronda Thomas live for us in University City now with an update on how the local hospitals are holding up. Taronda?
Well, John and Sarah, this outage is now impacting people's health as we're seeing hospitals across the country be impacted by this CrowdStrike outage. Now, Penn Medicine is one of those hospitals that has been impacted, so have others in our area. The CrowdStrike outage impacting hospital services across our area. 3 of the major medical groups impacted: Penn Medicine, Mainline Health, and Virtua Health. All 3 hospitals report issues with their computer systems that have impacted some of their services, including scheduled surgeries. Penn Medicine sent a statement to Action News saying that some outpatient appointments and procedures have had to be canceled or rescheduled. Those patients will get a phone call or text with more information. Penn Medicine hospitals, though, are still fully staffed and open, including their emergency departments. Mainline Health is impacted by the same CrowdStrike issue, but continues to accept patients for care. They say all operations are continuing normally, except for elected surgical procedures. Necessary surgeries are still being performed. They're working with patients who will need to reschedule. Their emergency department, too, is still open. Mainline Health says they're still here for those who need care. Virtua Health is still seeing outpatients, and the hospital is still operating, but the outage has affected some of their systems as well. Now, the good news is that Penn Medicine and other hospitals that were impacted are still finding ways to work around this and help those patients who are most in need, including those in the emergency rooms. That's important to note. The emergency rooms in these hospitals are still open. They really want to emphasize that. It's also important to note, I've been calling a lot of these hospitals in the area, and some of them are not impacted at all. So we want to let you know about that as well. So those hospitals that I've spoken with that are not impacted by the CrowdStrike outage include Temple Health, Jefferson, which includes Einstein, Cooper Health, and Tower Health, which includes St. Christopher's Hospital for Children. They are all operating normally, and they have not been impacted by this CrowdStrike outage. We'll keep an eye on the situation and let you know more information as it develops. We're live in University City. Taronda Thomas, Channel 6 Action News. John and Sarah?
All right, and those are the hospitals that are impacted trying to make workarounds. Taronda, thank you very much.